Problem number 9. John bought a 40-pound bag of cat food for his 5 cats. His cats ate 15 1/6 pounds of the food in the first month and 15 5/6 pounds of the food in the second month. How much cat food, in pounds, was remaining in the bag at the end of the 2 months? I know this shocks you. I'm going to draw a tape diagram to model this. So I need to figure out the remaining amount of cat food at the end of 2 months. Well, I know my total. My total was my 40-pound bag of cat food. And I know I have my first month, my second month, and I need to figure out the remaining. So what don't I know? So I need 3 things. My first month, my second month, and I'm going to say like the leftovers. So first month I had 15 1/6. Second month I had 15, I blocked part of my number, 5/6. I have no clue how much is left over. So, I can do this 2 different ways. I'm going to do the first way the way I think most of us do, which is using addition first. And it's perfectly fine. So we're going to do 15 1/6 plus 15 5/6. So I'm going to add my whole numbers. And then I'm going to add my fractions. So 15 plus 15, 30. And then I know my denominator is going to stay the same because it's 6 and 6. We love those. Don't have to do any extra work to get a common denominator and get a new numerator. So now I check my numerators. 1 plus 5 is 6. Well, I can rewrite that. 30 plus, 6, 6. Must be 1 whole. So 31, and this is what they ate in the first and second months. And that's pounds, isn't it? But that's not what I want to know. I just found out what this was. I need to figure out how much is left. So I have to figure out 40 minus 31, which is 9 pounds. There is another way, and this way kind of involves subtraction, kind of at the beginning, I guess. I'm going to start with my total, which is my 40 pounds of cat food, and I'm going to subtract what I have used in my first and second month, which is 15 1/6 plus 15 5/6. So 40 minus, 15 15 is 30 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 5/6 is 6/6. So I can do 40 minus 30 plus 6/6 is equal to 1 whole. So that's equal to 40 minus 31, which is 9 pounds. Either way is correct. This I start with my total, and this I have to use the total at the end to get my final answer.